Hi guys, if you've got a Model 3 that is 2019 up to 2020 and you have that horrible piano black that gets dirty like this, even if you try and clean it like this, it doesn't clean up very well and it shows every mark and it's forevermore getting dirty. Then I have the solution for you. Yes, with these matte black covers that use 3M tape, they are going to fit very easily, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
So this product is made by Temai and it comes in a box big as this from Amazon. It's about £20, which is not a lot of money. You get 3 bits, which is obviously, this is the bit for the cup holder, this is the bit for the center, and this is the biggest bit for your charging. So how easy is it to fit? Well, we're going to have a look. First thing you need to be doing is clean up every surface because it gets full of dirt and scratches and crud all over it. Then as you see, look, they've come off very easily, the little tapes, and you pull them all off and each one's in section, and then you just slide it in, push it down, and that's it. Now we're going to look at the middle one, which is a little less ties. I'm going to push that in, look, that's now working, and now we're going to get into the top one and put that in. As easy as that, 1, 2, 3, and it's done. And at night time, look, if we open it up now, look, the white light shines on it, it looks really good. And of course, because I've got these colour changing lights, I can make it green, I can make it red, I can make it purple, I can change it along to blue, and it really makes a big difference. And look, absolutely lovely, it closes up. Well, so there you have it. For just $24, £20, you can have this fitted in your car. It's very simple to fit. You just take off the 3M tapes as I showed you and you're away. You just line it up, stick it in position, and it works perfectly. So that's good. And one of my followers at the supercharger asked me in Heathrow, could I add the bit of stuff that I was talking to him about? Well, of course I can. Everything that I talk about is in the description. So this will be in there. You'll have the link. You'll better go and buy it. It takes 1 day, as I say. Watch out for a box big as this. Comes in the post. Amazon will deliver it to you and you can install it the next day. And it does look remarkable, I have to say. And it's made a big difference to the car. Don't forget, if this has been good to you, give me a like, thumbs up, and put a note in the comments if there's something that you want to add to the car, or if you've added to the car, that would be great. And don't forget, share me with your friends, let everybody know Mal Back Talking Tesla. We're there to help you and it's going to be great for you and it's going to make a big difference to the car. Anyway, until the next one, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. You've joined over 1,000 followers worldwide, so don't miss out on the fun. Subscribe now, it's free.